Hello dentists, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about materials that are used for pulp capping and materials that are used for deep cavities. So today we're going to talk about calcium hydroxide is a good liner, okay, and it is also used for pulp capping. It is extremely alkaline and its pH is 11, which helps in the formation of reparative dentine. It is also an antibacterial and has a long duration of action. The formation of reparative dentine will protect the pulp from being exposed. So calcium hydroxide has a low strength base, that can be used as a liner, intermediary base, or pulp capping agent. They are supplied as two pastes, base and a catalyst, containing calcium hydroxide and zinc oxide. Okay. So here, calcium hydroxide, can you see it's used for very deep cavities or pinpoint exposure? If this is done during our preparation of the cavity with the burr. So what do we do in case of pinpoint exposure? We put calcium hydroxide, then we put zinc oxide and eugenol and put temporary filling and keep the patient for a few 2 weeks or so, and then come back to make the final restoration. Okay, so this will lead to the formation of a secondary dentine, okay, to protect the pulp against any heat or electricity from the amalgam, which is, as we know, that it's a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. Which cement is thought to reduce the sensitivity of deep restoration? Zinc oxide and eugenol is a very good cement for deep restorations. It's thought to reduce the sensitivity due to its obtundant and analgesic properties of the eugenol. So zinc oxide and eugenol has setting time is 24 hours, and this is the weakest cement, but the eugenol acts as an obtundant and analgesic, and therefore it's used as a sedative dressing. The following modifications change the properties for various indications. So we have three types of zinc oxide and eugenol: accelerated zinc oxide and eugenol, resin bonded zinc oxide and eugenol, and EBA. So the first one, accelerated zinc oxide and eugenol, has added zinc acetate to the powder to increase the setting time to 5 minutes. Resin bonded zinc oxide and eugenol, addition of 10% hydrogenated resin to the powder to increase strength. EBA, addition of ethoxy benzoic acid to increase liquid strength. Okay. So zinc oxide and eugenol is a very good base for amalgam restoration. So in deep cavities, what do? We put calcium hydroxide as a liner, then we have a base here, zinc oxide and eugenol, and then we put the final restoration, which is amalgam. That's why we put two, a liner and a base in case of amalgam, especially in very deep cavities, which is very close to the pulp, to prevent heat and sensitivity of the pulp. Thanks for listening today, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos to come. Thanks for listening.